Hello everybody, it's Liam here, and today I'll be talking you through how to connect Gmail to Make.com and also how to stop it from disconnecting from Make, because I've had this trouble and I figured it out with some testing and stuff, and I've had it stop I've stopped it from disconnecting for the last like couple of weeks or so. So that'll be up to you. That'll be near enough to the end of the video for me to walk through that because I'll be going through the Gmail at the start. So let's get right into it. So you'll need a make scenario, of course, and then you'll be making a Gmail. So Gmail and then send, you want to send an email. From here, you'll need to add a connection and then you should give it a name of sorts. I'm more specific, but you know, this is going to get removed afterwards. So client ID and client secret is what you'll need to make the connection happen. So I'm actually going off the documentation here. You can completely bypass me if you'd like. I am just walking through the documentation, but I'm just like, if you can skip me, if not, you can stay. And yeah, so you need to go to Google Cloud Console first. So Google Cloud Console. Whoa. I'm gonna grab a drink of water. I'm sorry. Right. So from here, you need to create a new project. And usually, sometimes if this doesn't work, you hit the corner and you click new project here. Test proj. I'm gonna get rid of this afterwards. So you create, and it does some of like the swirly load and stuff, and then it's like, okay, guys, I'm going to work now, right? No, okay, fine, maybe okay. So it does this as well for some reason. This is the test project. You want to make sure to be on the test project in the corner here. And then what you do is you come to the nav bar and you come to APIs and services and it enabled APIs and services. This is because you need to enable the Gmail API from coming on. So you hit that and you go to Gmail API. Boom. Click it and you just hit enable. Very simple, very easy. Not complicated at all. I hope, guys. I hope. Lovely. So I was just doing a slowly loady stuff. And then from here, you need to go to the auth consent screen. Oh, weird. Okay. And you come to external, create, and name. I usually give it a pretty like humble app name like test. Everyone loves test. But no, I would be careful with the app naming convention because it can get confusing if you have more than one of these and they're even remotely named the same thing, like very confusing. So you put user support email and you add two domains. It'll be make.com and integromat.com. The reason you have two instead of one is because, well, first one is this is make, so obviously it's just make.com, and the second one is Integromat because before make there was Integromat a long, long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. Integromat existed, and they said, okay, guys, this shit is way too long, so Integromat it is, and um, and then from here, uh, you just put nemek@gmail.com. Yeah, put in my exact email address, guys, because that is a terrible idea. Please don't do that. And then from here, you save and exit, and you add or remove scopes, and you go to this Gmail. Ooh, sorry, Gmail API, and then from here, you basically select them all. There's no like actual filter. You just select them all, and just make sure you have all of them selected because this is what Make will be able to do on your console, and you save and continue. And then from here, you save and exit or save and continue, and then you come to credentials. Super easy. All you have to do is this is like the client ID and client secret that you'll need. So create credentials. Ooh, sorry, auth, and then this will give you a ID and a key. And a note on these: be very careful with who gets these because yes, you click web application, and then yeah, sorry, and then authorize redirect URIs. And that will just be here again. Like I said, I'm just following the documentation because it's just that is like it has everything laid out. So you will get an yeah, so a client ID and a client secret. I would be very careful with who you give these to if they know what they're doing. This is getting deleted very quickly after this. But yeah. And just before this, to most people kind of stop at this point and they're like, guys, I'm gonna leave you be. But this is where you stop it from disconnecting, where I had literally months of trouble and like I just can't be like I was killing myself, I was kicking myself when I figured this out. All you have to do to fix it from disconnecting every like 2-ish days is you come to the auth consent screen and you hit publish app. You just hit publish app and confirm. It will say it needs verification. It doesn't, okay? It's sitting there looking pretty, doing nothing, okay? So you just hit publish app and you just leave it. And now it's just chilling, it's just sitting there. And that has stopped mine from disconnecting for for God knows. And I don't think it's ever going to disconnect. Touch wood, karma, please. But so you sign in with Google now that everything's connected, and it should bring you to the sort of S single sign-on page, SSO, and you just hit your one. And just give it a second. Yeah, so it'll come to a page of Google hasn't verified the app. That's completely okay. It's just because you're a private like developer basically. Yeah, and it's just they haven't like completely checked it. You just hit advanced, go to Integromat, unsafe. It's not very unsafe, but yeah, you click continue, and now hit this, check it, and you hit continue. Very simple, very easy, very easy. Oh, sorry about that. And now the connection is set. So I'm just going to test it out just to show you kind of like how it can work. So liamyek2@gmail.com. This is just an alt account I have. So the subject will be hello Liam. And I'll say, be my friend, please. I really appreciate you. So you just do that. And I'm just going to run this once by itself. Boom. And now if I go to my Gmail, I just spelled Gmail wrong. Guys, leave me alone, okay? So I'm getting security alerts and tests and all this. So if I go to my second Gmail, my testing one, hello Liam, be my friend. And I'll just show you some of the integration I have. So I've been setting one up recently, so I'll just save this. So that's it. You can leave now, but I'll just show you some of the things that that is possible. Let me see. So one of the ones that I've been building out recently is I've been building out my CRM. And long story short is I'm currently trying to set it up because it has a bit of a funny system where it's struggling to like hook it up. But look, that's not the point. You can send up like a 1 day before email prompt. So basically, 1 day before they show up to your meeting, you can send an email. There's one where I think I have like a proposals. So this is like a proposal generator or like a click stage changes to proposals. And basically it's a very short one, but it just at the end it just sends a proposal after the meeting saying, hey, thank you for the call earlier. I'm currently preparing a proposal for you. Stay tuned. Do you have any questions? Kind regards. Boom. And that's just linked in with a CRM. So everything's tight. So yeah, just a few things that you can actually build with it. Super powerful. I'll see you now. Okay, bye.